Biko yan guys. Biko yan. At saka lumpia. Pansit guys. Oh, di ba? Yan yung pang New Year namin guys. Yan. Ayan. Kain na tayo. Happy New Year! Pansit guys. Sarap yan. Pansit. Yan. Pansit. Oh. Lechon yan guys. Oven yan guys sa lechon belly. Yan. Lechon yan guys na manok guys. Lumpia guys Guys, happy 2026. Happy New Year. Tayo guys mag-celebrate tayo ng New Year natin guys. Pero bago yun lahat at ang pagkain natin sa bagong taon guys. Yan, lumpia, pansit, chicken, at saka biko. Yan guys, happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Yan guys, happy New Year. Now, Happy New Year. 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 Picture tayo, picture.